Quick word on email control. You've got two layers of guards. Global toggles turn entire email categories on or off. Purchase order emails, RFQ emails, payment confirmations, and internal notifications. Per supplier toggles override the global setting for specific suppliers. Maybe one supplier prefers phone calls, another wants everything by email. You control it per vendor. Global off means off, regardless of the supplier setting. Global on checks the supplier setting. Simple, predictable, no surprises. Purchase Pro works great on its own, but it's part of a bigger picture. With Inventory Pro, goods received create stock. Preferred supplier data flows both ways, supplier to warehouse mapping. With Entity Emails, full email tracking on every order and RFQ, plus the automated RFQ response parsing I explained to you. With Invoice Reconciliation, bank imports auto-match payments to your purchase orders. Payment status updates automatically. With Shop Pro, incoming B2B shop orders can trigger purchase orders. RFQs flow between buyer and seller instances. The more modules you add, the more automation you get, but each one works independently, no forced dependencies.